Let's talk cash on cash return. It's one of the most commonly used metrics, and it's one of the most simple calculations as well. It's going to help you determine how much of a return you're earning from cash flow in a single year on whatever your investment was. And so the calculation is as simple as your cash flow for the year divided by the total amount invested equals your cash on cash return, and it's going to be in the form of a percentage. Let's run through a quick example. Let's say you invested $100,000 into a mobile home park investment. In the first year, you generated $10,000 in cash flow to you pre-tax. All you would do is you'd take $10,000 in cash flow divided by $100,000 investment, and that would be a 10% cash on cash return. In summary, the cash on cash return is one of the most useful metrics that you're ever going to use. You're probably going to use it on every single deal that you look at to determine if it's a good opportunity or not. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more mobile home park investing advice.